Riegos y Tecnología SL was founded in 1994 in Aguilas, Murcia on the southeast coast of Spain. A company that has always aimed at finding solutions for the problems which arise in agriculture, that is to say the shortage of water and soil problems, making the growers' task even harder. The company is formed by a group of more than 30 professionals with an ample experience in the sector. Technological and Innovation Systems RITEC is the outcome of combining traditional techniques with the most advanced research. This is the best possible way to offer a complete package to the national and international agriculture industry, encouraging the development of an infrastructure that creates the ideal conditions for cultivation and is always environment friendly. Our integral thrust begins with the design of the agricultural exploitation. The professionals at RITEC identify the agricultural exploitation needs and calculate the ideal size of different crops. Next, these go ahead with the selection of the most appropriate products, taking into account the characteristics of the soil, the climate, the irrigation systems and the market evolution. Then we arrive at the most important part of the process, i.e. the selection of machinery and control equipment. RITEC manufactures the NutriTech system, a result of years of research incorporating the latest advances in the handling of irrigation and fertilization of crops. The NutriTech system helps the grower to optimize fertilization and irrigation, measuring the ideal quantity of water and fertilizers thanks to the use of the latest advances in electronic equipment. NutriTech is made up of a control panel and a set of valves that are connected to a water supply and different fertilizer deposits. By means of this panel, it is possible to store different program settings in the memory, therefore allowing the system to distribute several products automatically at the right time and in the right amounts, according to the user requirements and according to the crops. In order to carry out all these actions, another innovative element is necessary, i.e. external sensors that allow the system to analyze and interpret the plant conditions, making it possible to readjust the previously programmed parameters automatically in accordance with the needs at the time. NutriTech optimizes the agricultural exploitation, guaranteeing the utmost efficiency, maximizing the yield and minimizing the costs and resources needed. Apart from the NutriTech equipment, which is suitable for all types of crops, RITEC has two other systems exclusively designed for plants grown in greenhouses, where apart from the optimum nutrition, it is necessary to control the temperature and levels of humidity. And so, the ClimberTech and HufiTech systems were created to fulfill such a need. The ClimberTech system allows all the environment control elements to be automated, such as windows, heating, ventilation, thermal screens and shades, humidity equipment, etc., and adapt them to the best conditions for each type of crop. In order to achieve this, a set of sensors send precise information to a computer about the current level of humidity, temperature, wind speed and direction, solar radiation, level of CO2, etc. Perfectly nourished with ideal humidity and temperature conditions, the crops are only exposed to one final danger: disease. To combat this problem, HufiTech was designed. It is the RITEC equipment which evenly distributes all the phytosanitary and preventive products to the plants. An effective system of automatic air and liquid valves allows the HufiTech system to provide a better distribution and efficiency of applied products, reaching the whole crop with the correct amount of product. Nutrition, climate control and disease prevention are the three advantages which RITEC offers its clients with the most up-to-date control systems on the market, backed up with the complete installation and efficient monitoring once in place. With such an offer, it is no wonder that RITEC equipment has rapidly gone beyond our borders and is now being used in countries such as Mexico, Portugal, China, Morocco, Oman and Cuba, among others. And now we are moving closer and closer to you, opening offices in Andalusia in the region of Valencia, where we can offer you the results of our constant research so that your crops have the most efficient systems, so as to achieve the highest yield. Our equipment is the one that adapts to your needs. RITEC brings your crops to life.